Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to view a record of employment in MSCA. First, open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the My Service Canada account website. Then sign into your MSCA account using your preferred sign-in method such as your GC key or a supported sign-in partner. If you have not registered for MSCA yet, follow the registration process and verify your identity before continuing. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your account dashboard. Here you'll see various Service Canada services linked to your account. Now look for the Employment Insurance section. Then click on Record of Employment or Records of Employment. This section contains electronic records of employment that have been submitted by your employers to Service Canada. Next, you will see a list of available records. Select the record of employment you would like to view. Now review the information carefully. Here you can see details such as the employer's name, employment start and end dates, insurable earnings, insurable hours, pay period information, and the reason your employment ended. Take a few moments to verify that all the information is accurate and matches your employment history. If you need the information for an employment insurance claim, make sure all records from your recent employers are available. After that, you can use your browser's print function if you want a physical copy for your records. You may also be able to save the page as a PDF depending on your browser and device. If you don't see your record of employment, don't worry. Employers may take some time to submit ROS electronically after your employment ends. In that case, wait a few days and check your MSCA account again. You can also contact your employer directly to confirm whether the record of employment has been submitted. If your employer provided a paper record of employment instead of an electronic one, keep that document in a safe place for future reference. It's also a good idea to regularly review your records of employment in MSCA to make sure the information remains accurate, especially if you're applying for employment insurance benefits. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.